With our no-code Salesforce record validation test step, the available options in a pick list can be validated by using an existing record with all available options selected. However, different record types can be created, for example, retail versus wholesale or internal versus external, where the pick lists have different available options configured. To test these scenarios, without having to create specific records and maintain lists of exact matches for each record type, we have created a pick list validation step to simplify this testing. This test step lists all the pick lists in a record. The actions for each pick list are exact match, to check that an option is included in the list, or to check that an option is excluded from the list. Thanks for watching.